Hammertime.
What's up everyone, and welcome back to another Hammertime video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this bowl out of recycled skateboards. Stay tuned and let's jump right in. Alright guys, this turned out really cool. If you're interested, I will have this for sale up on my website, and I'll leave a link to that on the screen right here. And also, if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Alright you guys, until next time, happy building.